Can you guess what Hollywood movie this is from? That's right, Die Hard. Welcome to the party, and welcome to Lee Stewart's cab. This is a Volvo FH16 with 750 horsepower, equipped with iShift. Every accessory and detail on this action-packed truck has been customised, so it's no surprise that the whole truck took 8 months to finish. It's customised with catwalks, exhaust pipes and bars. Lee loves the whole concept and package of the truck, as well as the way it drives. There's been a lot of work done to the inside of the cab. Speakers have been fitted, a New York Police Detective badge is displayed in the back, and the upholstery has had a makeover. Seats have been covered with black leather, and the dashboard panels and steering wheel have both been customised. Lee loves to stand out from the crowd, and believes that if you've got the best truck, it should also look the best. And who are we to disagree?